Welcome. In front of me is a TCL NxtPaper 10S, and today I will show you how you can insert SD card into this tablet. So anyway, I'll mention that for me, the version that I have right here just takes SD cards. So if for you have some LTE version, I don't know if one exists, this will also allow you to insert the SIM card as well. But anyway, for this we will need a SIM ejector, which ironically I call it SIM ejector even though we only have SD card. But yeah, it can be found in a box with a device somewhere between the paperwork, so you can use that, or you could use a paper clip, straighten one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So from here, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the either right bottom side or the top right side, depending on how you hold the device. So if you hold it in like the portrait mode, not portrait, landscape mode, it will be at the top right here, opposite to the volume keys. So anyway, once you find it, you want to push it in, the pin, meaning, and you will see that the tray comes out just a little bit, enough for you to take it out. And like I mentioned, on the tray you have space for SD card, at least that's what I have only space for, so just place it on. Now one more thing, you place the tray on the bottom side, so if you took it out from the device like this, you will need to put the card on the bottom, or from the bottom, and then flip it back over and insert it back in. And like I mentioned, in certain cases I believe you probably should have option for SIM cards, because the tray does have additional length for it, though for me, as you can see, it's completely filled out, so I have no way of inserting a SIM in here. So anyway, slide it back in. There we go. And the card should start working immediately. Oh, there we go. As you can see, there is the pop-up for the SD card. So anyway, that is how you can insert it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.